Hi, hello guys. So for the discussion board, I'm going to answer the first prompt. What is the best way to address our problem of such diverse learners? Begins Miss Powell. So, for one, make an IEP cheat sheet. This will help me to understand the children who have an IEP and to know what they need to focus on and what goals I need to work on with them, as to encourage active learning. Um, it can be challenging to keep students um, interact and get to know each other. So to teach diverse learners, I was also do group learning, case-based learning, group discussions, and talk and take turns. 1 minute papers and one sentence summaries, as well demonstrates and memory matrix. I was also embrace small group and learning sections, group by learning style, not by ability, and then promote project-based learning, incorporate in-text and adapted learning tools. These are the ideas that I will use to teach diverse for the Miss Palette, the first prompt. And then for the second is I have for Miss Diaz and Mr. Young regarding so I agree with Mr. Young that students should interact with each other. Um, for the prompt, Miss Diaz thinks that children should be in groups of how learners learn. So it said how academics backgrounds. So if students are poorly doing in class, then put them together, and the students that are doing very highly in class, then put them together. I think with I agree with Mr. Young. I think every student should be able to interact with each other because I honestly, children learn from each other. They learn from yeah, they learn from each other. Other children can teach them about, okay, let's say about the lesson that they don't understand, so they could give them strategies, and this is how I do it, maybe this can work for you. So I think it's very important. It doesn't matter, about their academics backgrounds and who learns best and who doesn't learns, or who learns a little slower. Children can learn from other children. Children can help other children learn how to read, do math, understand the lesson of the day, or even provide different strategies of how they study for this exam, or even how they do their projects and how they do their homework. Children can help other children from each other. So I think that's very important that even in the classroom, um, it doesn't matter if this person is doing way these children are doing way better, so let's put these children into this group because they're learning way better and they have high academics, better grades. So, and let's put the other children. I don't think that's me personally as a teacher. I don't think that is right. I think each child should be able to interact with each other, put in place them in different groups, because again, these children can learn from each other, can observe and can say, oh, you know what, this child did it this way, or my friend did it this way, let me see if I can let me try it this way, maybe I can learn this way. So I think that's very important, and I think that's how it should be. Thank you. um, you know does the age level children change their needs? I don't think so. I think um, it doesn't matter what age the child is. I honestly really believe, as a teacher, even as a parent, children learn from each other. It doesn't matter if they're 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each child learns from each other, and they can learn new things. They can learn different strategies. They can even learn how to, you know, how they interact, communicate, or help each other develop and their growth. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.